If you're watching this, then the likelihood is that you are probably gearing up for a CAFCASS interview, or you just Googled how not to screw it up. Either way, I've got you. I've got you. No problem. I've been through it. It's intense, it's emotional, but it's not impossible. Here are 10 solid steps and tips to help you walk in with confidence and walk out with dignity intact. Number 1, show, don't sell. Don't treat it like a job interview. You're not applying to be a parent. You're already a parent. Instead of saying, I'm a great dad or mum, tell a story, the morning routine, the inside jokes, the bedtime ritual. Let them feel the bond. Number 2, think what's best for the kid, not what's best for you. This one's key. Yeah. Every answer you give, run it through this filter. Does this serve my child's stability, happiness, and safety? If the answer is no, it doesn't need to be said. Number 3, know your kid like you know your phone password, your favorite song. What calms them when they're upset, what they're afraid of. If you can rattle it off without blinking, it shows you're not just present, you're plugged in. Number 4, keep your cool. Even if you're boiling inside, family court digs up all the muck, throws it all over the place. But if you vent it at CAFCASS, you look unstable. Breathe, pause, speak slowly, be calm. You want for your kid what's best for your kid. Right, next one, number 5, don't bash the other parent ever, even if they've been a total nightmare, wrapped up in chaos. CAFCASS doesn't want a gossip column. Instead, say things like, I want to support a relationship that's safe and healthy for my child. Powerful, classy, and focused. Number 6, prepare like it's a driving test. You wouldn't show up to your test without practicing 3-point turns or turning, all that sort of stuff in the car. You wouldn't turn up to a test without practicing. Same goes here. Rehearse your answers. Anticipate the questions. Reflect. Don't react. I say this to so many people, but so many people don't do it. And it's important that you do. Number 7, be honest about your growth. If you've made mistakes, own them. Own your shit. There was a time I didn't handle stress well. I worked through it through therapy and routine. That's not weakness, that's strength. Anyone who owns their shit, takes the courage to own their shit, is strong. Stronger than what you might think. Align with CAFCASS's mission. Learn what they value. Child safety, emotional well-being, cooperation. And then mirror that. Not parroting it, but living it. Use phrases like structured care, emotional consistency, and positive co-parenting. Number 9, prove you're proactive, not reactive. Talk about steps you've taken, parenting classes, mediation sessions, even silly stuff like using co-parenting apps. It shows you're not waiting for change, you're creating it. Even as far as doing your own DAP course without being told to do it, learning about domestic abuse and domestic violence. They love that shit. And it shows that you're willing to learn. Number 10, end with a heart-level question. Say this: what can I do to support my child even better? That hits different. It shows humility, willingness, and a genuine care. It's unforgettable. Now, just remember this. CAFCASS isn't there to judge your perfection. They're there to understand your intention. So be real, be calm, be the parent your child brags about when no one else is looking. Now, go in there and show them what parenting with purpose actually looks like.